Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the default apps on Android 16. Alright, to do it we need to open up our settings. Now, we need to click on Apps, scroll down until you find the General, and in here we have our default apps. Simply click on them, and in here you can, for example, change the default browser app, caller ID and spam app, digital assistant app, home app, phone app, SMS app, and the wallet app. For example, when it comes to the wallet app, we can use the Google Wallet or none, or if you have other apps that you have downloaded from the Play Store, you can select them right in here to use as a default wallet in that case. Similar thing with the browser, for example. In my case, I have also Opera downloaded. Currently the Chrome is my default browser, but I can change it into the Opera by simply selecting it right in here, and now the Opera is my default browser. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.